What is up, everybody? So Lori Vallow's brother, Adam Cox, recently gave an interview to ABC News. The full story is linked in the description below, so you can go have a view for yourself. In this interview, Adam states that our family is nothing the way it used to be. You don't know who to trust, who's saying what actually happened. If you're unfamiliar with the case, it's truly bizarre. Check out the documentary on Discovery Plus titled Doomsday, the Missing Children. Adam goes on to say in the interview with ABC, there's so much deceit, and some family members may believe one thing and other family members may believe another thing. When talking about Lori specifically, he states there was nothing odd, there was nothing alarming or something that you would think that how could she go off and do these things? He states in the months leading up to the tragedies, he began to notice an unsettling shift in his sister's behavior. She would tell him that she had a face-to-face conversation with Jesus Christ and that she was a trusted being. He said he looked at her and she looked at me and I was like, Lori, what you're saying is not true. This is nonsense. And she goes, you think I'm crazy, don't you? He states from that point, she tried to cut everything off with him. He states that he did reach out to their mother and explained to her that she was saying and doing some crazy things, but the mother didn't necessarily believe it, stating that she had never heard Lori say those things herself. Adam is also quoted as saying, he had a gut feeling in his stomach the same way I had the gut feeling when Charles was killed, and I thought if she's not saying where the kids are dead. It was absolutely insane that all that time passed and no one was forcing her. I mean, I don't know how that's not a thing. How no one was forcing her to say where her children were. They were missing. She was lying. She was caught in lies saying where they were, and they obviously weren't there. How do you not force somebody to come up with that information? I guess at the end of the day, you can't force people to say anything, but something should have been done. It's just truly bizarre. Adam states that jail for the rest of their life is not good enough. Death isn't good enough. If you think about what those kids went through, is there anything that could bring justice to what happened to those kids? He's 1,000% right. It doesn't matter what Lori Daybell or Chad Daybell get as a sentence. Nothing is going to bring those two kids back. Nothing is going to fix the situation. I don't know what the correct punishment is for somebody in that situation. Death seems like an easy way out, just because then it's gone. It's over with. And she probably thinks she's going to get reborn as who knows what. I don't know. I don't know what the correct punishment is for something like that. It's so hard. So that's what her brother recently had to say to ABC News. Again, it is linked in the description. The interview was on ABC 2020. If you can find it, give it a watch. Just a truly, truly bizarre case. Their trial isn't scheduled to go to court until January 2023. So we're still a year away from anything happening in this case. Just a crazy turn of events. Check out the documentary, Doomsday, the Missing Children on Discovery Plus, and learn about this crazy, crazy case. Hope you have a good day. I'll see you again soon.